All right, so we prepped and painted this spot, and the detail on the profile, we just put that in. That's all waterproofed also. Yeah, the profile on the windowsill that I bought is a little different than the existing, so I got to make one in the shop. These are all cut and put in. This will be great. That just has to be primed and painted over the top. We got this piece in, and I'm going to return a bunch of moldings that actually will not work. This whole thing we tore apart and changed this panel out completely, put all new molding around this edges, waterproofed the inside of it, caulked and glued the heck out of it. Then we'll prime and paint it. But yeah, the challenge now is I got to make the windowsill profile. I got to shape myself out of material, so I'm going to go make a return to Home Depot and get some lumber that I could cut that out of and prime all around. Okay, this stuff we need, and I got a bunch of pieces in the truck we're going to return. And the things that I'm using to match, I'm going around to the back of the house and removing window trim and then replacing it with stuff that's very similar and plastic, and this way they're not next to each other. So I'm using the existing stuff that's on the house so everything will match identically, and then when you walk around, there'll be a window that's trimmed out a little differently, but not noticeable, because your eye won't catch that it's different if it's not next to another one. All right, yeah, we're good.